you keep asking how to start a vlogging channel or a YouTube channel in general, I'll show you or I'll tell you how in just under a minute. So the first thing is you grab your phone camera, your smartphone, that's plenty, and just start shooting. If you want to vlog, just find a topic that sounds interesting and think of how you could make a story around it. Or secondly, you try to find a topic that you're very passionate about and start shooting about this topic. And if you wonder what to talk or how to structure your things, maybe you should or could ask AI for some help. It will be a bit tricky in the beginning because you might be unsure how to do it, but you will be rewarded with time and with uploading consistently videos. So this was part 2 from the challenge. Let's talk and see you in the next one. Cheers!